Inception marketing is all about catching a pulse of your market without spending a single dollar. Today, we're going to explore social media platforms. Not all of them, just some of them, but the same use case applies to the majority of platforms. And the entire idea is to understand whether the problem that you think exists actually does. Let's jump right in. There are a ton of different social media platforms. This use case treats all of them relatively the same. We're going to use social media platforms as search engines. And what we aim to identify is whether there's anybody out there, any business, or any community that currently experiences the problem that you aim to solve. So why don't we start with X, formerly known as Twitter? We're going to utilize the search feature that exists within Twitter to identify whether a problem has been solved or whether the problem already even exists. Let's go ahead and type in dry cleaning software. You'll notice that there's going to be some results that pop up, but let's make sure to take a look at what are the types of accounts that are ultimately going to be available with this type of search result. You'll see that there's a bunch of competing software solutions that already exist in the marketplace today. This is actually a good sign. It's questionable as to whether you want to be first to market with a brand new idea. It's an important thing to see that competition already exists, and then you get to identify what your key differentiators are within your community. So this is a great way of identifying some of the businesses that already exist in the space. If we take a look at a different platform, something like Facebook, we can utilize Facebook search as well, and also take a look at dry cleaning software. This is going to show you something similar, different software solutions that might exist in the space. You might be able to find different people that are having the conversation of the dry cleaner industry. You might be able to find different groups that are currently having that conversation, or generally locations that might be able to be your first customers. If we take a look at Instagram, similarly, this is going to allow us to experience a search result experience too. This gives us dry cleaning software and the related results. You'll see all the different businesses today, as well as different hashtags for this topic. These are really good signs. It's questionable as to whether you want to be a first mover to a new market. The fact that there are already platforms and already businesses that exist in this space, this gives you an opportunity to explore what are the solutions that they provide. And are you creating something unique in the space that also has value proposition to your customer audience?